Hi there, it's Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and I'm out in the hoop house today. You can hear the BCS running in the background. We've got it all ready for the season. It's a windy day out here. You can't tell it inside here, but it is. And let me show you the ground here. So the grass really didn't take off in the spring because it's so dry. So what I'm going to try is to use the power harrow, and I'm going to set it fairly shallow and just disturb this a bunch of times, and then hopefully we'll kind of knock the little grasses down and apart, and then get to a point where we're kind of have a nice soil here. So that's what I'm going to try. I'll try to take you guys for a ride for along for the ride a little bit. So we'll see how we do. Take a look. So you can sort of start to see where we've been and where we haven't been. So it's doing something. And my thought was to do that and then come back and every 2 or 3 days or month for a while to turn it up again and again and again and again. So this is it. We're getting about to where the wind is a little bit scary. It's really blowing out there. Well, I don't know how much longer I want to be in here, but maybe I'll try to get this middle section chewed up. But yeah, I hope you can kind of tell where it's been power harrowed and where it hasn't. I'm going to finish this up a little bit, try to get this middle piece knocked out and then get out of here before I die in a hoop house windstorm or whatever you want to call it. Let's see. Things are going pretty good otherwise. I took the weights off the front of the BCS so the power harrow has a little more weight in back. So that's helping out. I don't need that assist so much on the turns. I can just kind of push the handlebars to the side and watch it go around, so that's fine. When you got to lift it up to turn, which is what we do when we're doing beds out there, yeah, it's too much. You can't do it. finish her up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.